Hi, in this video I will show you how to go live on the TikTok without the 1000 follower. So how you can go to the live because TikTok have the policy you won't go live without 1000 follower. So right now you will see I don't have much followers. I have only 6 follower, and when I click on the plus icon you see I don't have any option like go live here. So how can I do this? How can I go live on the TikTok without having the 1000 follower? So right now I have one trick here. So simply cross it from here and you have to click on the profile from here. You have to click on the profile and you will see this type of the profile. So once you will do it, now you have to click on the 3 lines on the right top. Simply tap on it and now you have to scroll up and you have to search for the report a problem. Tap on it. Once the page is loaded, now you will see multiple options here. Simply you will see I can't start a live option here. So this is the option. Simply tap on it. Okay, now you have to click on the no from here and click on the need more help. Okay, right here you have to write a text like hi TikTok team, I won't be able to go live on TikTok. I have good followers and people enjoy my TikTok live streams, so help me to resolve this issue. Now you have to click on the report. Once you will click on the report, TikTok will review your issue and they will allow you to go live on the TikTok. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.